Hello, welcome again to our channel, your cross-to-source for diving into the interesting international of vehicle gadgets and technology. Whether you are a passionate car lover or just trying to decorate your using, revel in, we've got something for every person. Let's discover the modern-day improvements hitting the marketplace. These metal door and drawer latches are a practical accessory for both the garage and home. Built from tough metal, capable of handling up to 220 pounds of pressure. The set includes 4 latches, perfect for securing cabinet doors, drawer lids, toolboxes, equipment cases, and more. Their compact design ensures they can be installed almost anywhere without causing obstruction or protruding beyond the door or lid, offering a clean, seamless look. Lead tops 2 LED arrow panels equipped with 33 diodes each, designed for superior road visibility and durability. Built from high-quality materials, these panels ensure long-lasting performance. Each of the 33 LEDs offers optimal brightness, enhancing safety by making your vehicle more noticeable on the road. Compatible with nearly all 12-volt vehicles, they are easily mounted on the back of side mirrors, providing an extra turn signal for added visibility. Versatile in function, these LED panels can be used as turn signals, brake lights, or even beacons. A set of transformer adjustable wrenches from a trusted tool manufacturer, crafted from high-strength tool steel for exceptional durability. These wrenches have undergone specialized hardening to enhance their hardness and wear resistance. Their innovative design allows the wrench to automatically adjust to the size of any nut or bolt. The set includes 2 sizes, a smaller 10.5-inch wrench with a range of 14 to 30 millimeters and a larger 15-inch wrench that opens from 30 to 60 millimeter. Beyond standard hex nuts, these wrenches securely grip prismatic, square, and diamond-shaped nuts, and the built-in hook even enables them to open lightweight locks and locking mechanisms with ease. A heat-resistant stainless steel nozzle for construction heat guns and welders, designed for durability and high-performance welding. Its triangular shape ensures ultra-fast, precise welding of various plastic and vinyl materials. The elongated design directs a concentrated, powerful stream of hot air, allowing surfaces to heat quickly and evenly to the necessary depth for optimal thermal fusion. This triangular nozzle excels in reaching tight spaces and narrow gaps, where traditional round nozzles struggle to fit, making it perfect for detailed, hard-to-reach welding tasks. The Solute Vacuum Suction Cups, ideal for assisting in car windshield replacements. Crafted from robust aluminum alloy with an electro-polished finish, these suction cups feature a durable, odorless rubber base designed to perform even in extreme conditions. With impressive load capacities 154 pounds horizontally and 198 pounds vertically, these suction cups provide strong, reliable support. The ergonomic levers make attaching and releasing the suction easy, while special clips ensure stability throughout the process, offering both strength and convenience in your work. Let me introduce an essential and versatile gadget, a high-performance submersible transfer pump designed for diesel fuel, oil, and other liquids. This compact unit runs on a standard 12-volt car battery and is powerful enough to pump up to 30 liters of liquid per minute. Its durable aluminum alloy construction ensures resistance to oil, gasoline, and other corrosive substances. The electric motor is splash-proof and safeguarded from the pumped liquids. With its submersible design, this pump can be used in various tanks and containers, making it highly practical for diverse applications. The Nylite Power Extension Cord, available for both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, with a 14-foot length for maximum reach. Built from premium, durable materials, this extension cord ensures long-lasting reliability. The high-quality wiring offers superior electrical conductivity and is designed to withstand high temperatures and resist bending. A key feature is the integrated fuse, providing essential protection by preventing overloads and short circuits, making it a safe and dependable choice for your vehicle's electrical needs. Here's a top-notch set of True Mod's automotive relays with fuses, perfect for upgrading your vehicle's electrical system. The kit includes 6 Bosch-style relays, each featuring a 4-pin single-pole switch, rated for 12 volts and capable of handling up to 30 amps for high-capacity switching. The relays are equipped with thick 14 American wire gauge wires for superior conductivity. Along with the 6 relays, the set also includes 6 wiring harnesses and 6 fuses, making it an ideal solution for individual installations or tuning the entire electrical system of your car. A revolutionary car dent removal kit. This 2-in-1 tool is designed to quickly and efficiently restore your car's bodywork without harming the paint. The standout feature is its universal, removable T-bar. In its short form, it's perfect for fixing small dents, and with the extended handle, it can tackle larger defects with ease. The repair process is straightforward and safe, using a no sanding, no painting method. The key lies in the tool's heated adhesive and specialized wire loops, which gently pull out dents while preserving the vehicle's original paint, leaving it in pristine condition. An innovative solution for winter driving. Moto snow chains for car tires. These snow chains offer exceptional traction by boosting the friction between the tire and road surface, greatly enhancing vehicle control in even the harshest winter conditions. With a smart self-tightening system, the chains stay securely in place, eliminating the risk of slippage. There's no need to remove the tires, simply attach the chains following the instructions. They are compatible with tires ranging from 165 to 275 millimeters wide. Built with manganese steel, these chains withstand extreme cold down to 40 degrees Celsius, as well as high loads and mechanical stress, ensuring long-lasting durability in icy and snowy conditions. The ΣΟΕΔΙΝΕΝΝΗΕ H8, H11, and H16 LED fog lamp bulbs, designed for exceptional visibility in harsh weather conditions. Their standout feature is powerful illumination, thanks to advanced CSP chips and a soft amber 3000 Kelvin light, mimicking natural sunlight. These bulbs offer clear visibility in fog, rain, and snow without causing glare, ensuring safer driving. Engineered with precise 1-to-1 halogen light distribution technology and ultra-thin 0.079 millimeter copper boards, they deliver a uniform light beam, eliminating dark spots. At just 15 watts, they match the brightness of 35-watt halogens while saving up to 60% in energy. The durable all-aluminum housing ensures excellent heat dissipation, greatly extending the bulb's lifespan. This tool set includes 46 essential items that will become your go-to assistance for car repairs. Each tool is crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel with a mirror chrome finish, ensuring both strength and longevity. The set features 21 bits, including slotted, Phillips, and hex options, alongside 13 metric socket heads ranging from 4 to 14 millimeters. One standout feature is the variety of extensions and adapters, enabling access to hard-to-reach areas. The set includes a ratchet wrench, 2 inches, 4 inches, and 6 inches extensions, plus a 6-inch flexible extension. With a quick-release switch, reversible mechanism, and rubber grips for comfort, the tools are easy to use, and the durable carrying case keeps everything organized and portable.